Hello friends, in this video you will learn about operators in JS. We will discuss these three topics. First one is what is operator, second one is arithmetic operators, third one is assignment operators. Come to the first one. What is the operator? Operator can do the mathematical and logical operations on operands or variables like this. Taking this example to get the idea about operators. In this example, x plus y is assigned to the z. Nothing but adding the two operands with the operator plus and assigning this entire value to the z operand with the equal operator. This is the operation, arithmetic operation done by the operators like this. See, next one is arithmetic operators. To do the arithmetic operations done by these operators. See, addition happen with a plus, same way subtraction with minus, multiplication with star, and exponentiation with double star, division with slash, modulo with percentile, increment with plus plus, and decrement with minus minus. These are the arithmetic operations done by these operators. Next topic is assignment operators. We already know about equal with this example. Equal says about assigning the value to the variable. If you want to add the value and assign it with the plus equal, subtract the value and assign that value to the variable with minus equal. In the same way, multiplication, division, modulo, exponentiation. Exponentiation the value and assign that value to the variable with this star star equal. See how those are working in JS with this help of HTML file. In this HTML file, we are added the script file with this script source javascript.js. See javascript.js file is there. We do the operations, all those operations in this JS file. Comes to the javascript.js. First we do the arithmetic operations with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. See, before we need to do the arithmetic operations, we need the operands, nothing but variables. Create the variables A, B, C. Assign the values to the variables. A equal to 1 and B equal to 2. Do the arithmetic operation addition with the plus. C equal to A plus B. The C value is 2 now, 3, because 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is assigned to the C. Now print the C value. For printing the C value, we are accessing this element, this paragraph with the ID 001 in JS. See, this is document dot get element by ID. The ID value is ID 001. To write in the ID with the inner HTML equal to C. Then save the file. See, the result of the operation is 3 now. C equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is assigned to the C. So this is the addition. In the same way, you can do multiplication with a star and save the file. 1 into 2 is 2. That is in the C. This is the result 2. You can do other operations also like exponentiation. See, the 1 power 2 is 2. That is in the C. C equal to A star star B. is the 1 that is appeared. In the same way, you can do the remaining arithmetic operators with this in this way. Next one is assignment operators. See, assignment operators. Assignment operators. See, in this assignment operator, first we will begin with we already used assignment operator for assigning this value to the A and assigning the value to the B and assigning the entire value to the C. Then next comes to the other assignment operators like place equal and division equal, multiplication equal, like that. See, first do the place equal. Place equal 5. Then take this and print it. See, value is 6. What is happening with this? C plus equal 5. Nothing but the meaning is C equal to C plus 5. C previous value is 1 and current adding with 5. Then that value will become 6 like this. And you can do other operations also like multiplication, and C into C previous value is 1 into 5 is 5. The result is 5, and you can do exponential, a division, modulo, like that. Exponential. See, the C value is 1. 1 power 5 is 1. The output is 1. This is the arithmetic and assignment operators in JS. Some other operators also there. We will discuss those operators in upcoming videos. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.